What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Alpha Swift, and I'm back with another cooking video. You smell me? Today we gonna be making pastelitos the Dominican style. You feel me? Alright, so check me. Pastelito. Yeah. We gonna be making them with cheese. Cheese. I said, but that was late as hell, bro. Cut that shit. I got everything fixed out with my cameraman, you know how to smack him a little bit. You know what I mean? Fork. We'll need this. That right there. Pan. Alright, so we got the pan. I'm gonna put that right there. Yo, come here. Look at that. Get a close in on that. So you wanna turn on the fire. Ooh. Yes, so now we got the fire, right? Get the goddamn oil. Alright, that's it. Alright, so when y'all get y'all oil, y'all gonna wanna stab this joint right here. Look at that oil right there. So you're gonna wanna have your fire on, right? So the pan could be all hot already and stuff. Alright, so come to you. Y'all gonna wanna pour that in there. That's good enough, right? I think so. Nah, a little bit more. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I knew that shit. Who told you to back up? Who told you to back up? Yo, now, yo, we gonna have to get it. You only getting paid 3 cents, and you still messing up. That's it. Alright, so when y'all start slicing, when y'all finish slicing y'all cheese, right? Y'all gonna wanna let that sit right there. It's gonna start to get a little hot. Y'all have your little thing right here. Look at this right here. Whatever that is, the pastelito thing. So y'all wanna cut your little cheese up. Make sure it's all nice and little, so the pastelito won't be that big. It depends how many pastelitos you want to make. But now we're just gonna make 2. Feel me? Alright, get close up on this. So have y'all pastelito, right? Put the cheese right there. Cheese. And it's gonna melt. Look, with the cheese. Cheese. That's good enough. Feel me? Oh shit, hold on. Oh god. Hold on, this shit tweaking. Alright, y'all put that right there. This is where your fork comes in handy. Feel me? This is where your fork comes in handy. I'm gonna take the fork, right? Around the edges. Feel me? Press down right there. Feel me? Hold on. Technical difficulties. Press down. Press down. Make sure you get it good, cause y'all don't want it all messing up while it's frying and stuff. Feel me? Alright, back up. And get it good on the other side too. Probably looks bad right now. When you cook this beef, it's gonna be good, cook. It may look retarded like a chicken, it may look like a piece of chicken, but it's all good. It's all good, guys. Alright, so now, y'all gonna wanna put it in here. Y'all gonna take this, dump it in slowly. Don't dump it in, I think I might have burned myself. Oh my god. Alright, so y'all wanna let that fry right there. Put the camera on me. Y'all wanna let that fry right there. Like one, no, not even a minute. Yeah, like a minute. Not even like 50 seconds. Y'all wanna flip that? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to flip it right. Oh god, yo, I gotta turn that over. Look at that. You didn't even have to wait that long. That shit turned off? You didn't have to, put the camera on. You don't have to wait that long. It's literally like a 30 second, and then you flip. 30 seconds, flip. 30 seconds, flip. Feel me? Alright, look at that. Yes, sir. Y'all gonna want to let that cook right there for a little bit. And that's it. Alright, so we're done with the first one. Who's over there on the napkin? So y'all gonna get your second one, do the same thing, get your little cheese, throw that on right there. Get it a little nice, you feel me? Put that right there. Put that right there. Bro, shut up. Told you to talk. Slave. Alright, so y'all wanna put that right there. Make sure it's all nice. Make sure the cheese ain't touching the corners. Y'all gonna wanna bring this bad boy right here. Bring this up. Gonna be a good at Pastelito, feel me? Bang it in right there. Yo, come on. Yo, back up, bro. Back up. Back up. Back up. Show me, not Pastelito. Show me. Getting too much Pastelito in this video. Do not recommend this cameraman. Bro, what are you doing, bro? I'm out video. Come on, why are you all the way back there? The cooking is over here, bro. And who's telling you to move? God damn, cook. You're gonna leave that on because, like, you know, it's gonna be hot and stuff. Look at that. Almost done. Make sure y'all get it good, because if y'all don't get it good, it's not gonna be busting, feel me? Alright, 2 hands this time. Yes, sir. Hold on, leave the camera rolling. Oh yeah, Ryan Whoopty. You thought you have a bev this time, right? Yeah, good eats with no bev, Ryan. Yeah, boy. Think I'm playing. Alright, now we gotta flip this. Yeah, Ryan Whoopty. Oh god damn. It's getting a little hot in here. No cap. That's good. Yo, I'm not gonna cap, bro. It's hot as hell. It's mad hot, bro. That's why you gotta go through it as a chef in life. You know, I got the little drip and shit, little drip, little tea. You got the LV belt, feel me? You got the bone mains right here, the bone mains. We got the limited edition Vans, bro. We got the Doobie 3000 in the bit. And your haircut, by the way. I think that's good. A little bit more. Yeah, I ain't got no bev. Now I got a bev, Ryan. I'm playing with you, right? Hang on. By the way, sponsored by Sprite. I'm playing with you. Alright, we gonna want to take this out. Oh, that shit. Let that hang right there, because y'all want it all greased up and stuff. Look at that flank. Ooh. Put that on right there. Let me bring the other one. You got your 2 nice Pastelitos. I'm gonna check in with y'all, put them post notifications on, subscribe and like and share. And I'm out.